Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing great. My name is George, and this is just a quick update following the update that I made yesterday. I posted it on Twitter, obviously on our Discord, and that was about the price action that we had at that point in time. A really nice swing failure pattern, and also I give you a sample of what we do in our Discord. Now, let's get back to what we have right now and what happened yesterday. And yeah, you all know about this level, this what I call a high time frame SNR flip level 25,222. When we talk about high time frame levels, obviously it's better to think about those levels as an area, not to the exact dollar. Now, this level was printed here, so very long time ago, high time frame level, and it acted as a very good resistance, then it was flipped, and this can be considered as the first backtest. One would expect a reaction around these levels. Great. So we do know this is an important high time frame level. Definitely, if you are in a short, this could be take profit one or another take profit, depending on your trading plan. And when the price is approaching this kind of levels, definitely the only trade that I would take here would be a long or no trade. Definitely it's too late, in my opinion, to open a short here. Now, if we move to lower time frame, let's say 1 hour, this is what we have on the chart. First of all, we do have, you know, I love to trade ranges, and we do have this top range. Great. Also, I showed yesterday the reason for this bounce. We had here at the bottom a weekly and a daily naked point of control. Definitely a lot of volume, and you all know the volume is actually running this market. Great. Now, what do we do with this information? So the easiest way and the easiest trade ever, in my opinion, would be a swing failure pattern. So I was showing you yesterday the price after the first touch of this area was trying to bounce, but here it is, high time frame SNR flip level acting as resistance. Obviously a very, very small front run. Again, high time frame level, I would like to think about this as an area. And to be more specific, we had this, right? This single prints, this is ExoCharts, an order flow software, very good for confirmation to get more details about the order flow, about the volume, about everything that's going on. And also it can be used as additional confirmation when you're looking for a trade, especially if you trade based on reaction. Now, if we check this chart, obviously we had this single prints, and as you can see, this single print, the first single print to the downside, acted as a very, very good resistance. Then the retracement, and the easiest trade ever is a swing failure pattern, very close in validation, just below this lower low, and a lot of possibilities for the price to move to the upside. And yesterday, if you watched the video, like I said, it's posted on my Twitter, on our YouTube, right? If you watch that video, I was saying a couple of things. So first of all, you trade here, and for me, because at this point in time, you see a swing failure pattern and you trade a swing failure pattern, but you don't get a lot of confirmation about more upside. Now, what would you like to see for confirmation? You like to see a change in market structure and some levels claimed. So the first level is obviously VWAP. And I was explaining yesterday, VWAP was resistance, and up to this point in time, one would imagine it is still resistance. So what do we do at resistance? We book profits. Take profit one should be very, very good. And that was a decent move. I mean, that's 0.7%, give or take. That should be a nice take profit one. Then I said the next important level to the upside is actually this one, the high time frame SNR flip level. In between, we do have one level, and that would be obviously the golden pocket, something along this line. You can see some small reaction there, but a backtest of VWAP holding, and that's exactly what I was posting in Discord for my team. So as long as VWAP is holding as support, boom, more upside is possible. And like I said, the next level to the upside is actually this high time frame SNR flip level. Not only that, but what the price was trying to do at that point in time, and that was my last message on Twitter, the price was trying to, you know, to get acceptance back into the range. You can see this area, which is support. Now the price is trying to get acceptance back into this range, and first of all, the price needs to claim the lows. when the price moves here, definitely that could be another take profit, or at least check the reaction there. If on top of that we add the local golden pocket, pulled something like this from the last high to the lower low, obviously we do have more confluences for this area. Now we need to check what's going on here. This is resistance, and by default as resistance it is a good idea to book profits. Now it is important to understand the most important levels to the upside and to the downside, and that is very, very, very simple. So this level is a very, very important level, and for more upside, for continuation to the upside, I wouldn't like to see this level lost, right? That would be, if this level will be lost, that would open the possibility for a new lower low, and who knows what's going to happen after that. To the upside, the value area low of this range, if the price would manage to claim the value area low, that opens a possibility for more upside. And if this range is the main trading idea, then we do have the point of control, we do have the value area high and the top of this range. This is how you trade the range. Very, very simple. Now, and this would be, let's say, the most important levels to the upside and to the downside. However, if you are, especially if you are a scalper and a day trader in between, so from here to here and from here to the lower low, we do have interesting levels, and those levels can be used for scalping, and scalping is very good. We had good volatility to the upside, to the downside, so definitely these quick moves can be used to make some money. I just finished my first coffee today, if you know what I mean. And I said it is a good time to make an update, to give an overall view over the market. So like I said, these kind of levels are very, very good, and they give the possibility of good scalps. And not only that, give the possibility to check the strength or the weakness of a move. So yes, this is a level, this is a level, and this is a level, but in between, if we do have another levels, definitely those can be used for, like I said, scalping, day trading, and also to check the strength or the weakness of a move. Obviously, I've already updated my team in Discord in the premium section with these levels, and basically the way I like to approach this level. If you know what I do, and if you're familiar with my org, you'll know I trade based on reaction. So I don't like to preset orders. I like to set an alert, check what's going on there. Then when that alert is triggered, move to Excel charts, right, to check the reaction. You can use this template or this one, or maybe you have your own templates. That's let's say that's totally fine. Check the reaction. If you see the reaction what you like to see, now the only thing that you need to do is take the trade. If you don't like what you see, then step back, wait for the next important level on the chart. So definitely, this is what I mean by trading by reaction. So definitely high time frame, value area low, or this SNR flip levels in between, yes, for scalping, for day trading, very, very good. And the most important thing, right, if we hide everything from the chart, look at this section of the chart. What do you see here? And hopefully the answer is a bearish market structure, where you see the price making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is the most important thing right now. This will be, the market structure will decide if the price will move higher or if the price will move lower. So we need to check together with all the levels, everything else, with the order flow and everything else. We need to see if the price is able to actually to change the market structure. If that happens, it opens the possibility for more upside, and then obviously we could check the reaction when the price is claiming levels, continuing with the bullish market structure and claiming level. That is what you like to see for more upside. If the price is not able to change the market structure, then one would favor, very, very simple, more downside. And obviously to the downside, we do have levels to trade. But if you're more interested in what we do and about these levels, definitely you know where to find me. So we do have our website, successrepeated.com, where we do have everything. You can see Victor with the CVD divergences, part of the Excel charts, part of the order flow. And also I would like to announce that next week I will start a series about Excel charts, covering the basic and then going more in depth about everything that's going on with this order flow software. So I'll explain pretty much how this works, or at least how I use it. And like I said, you can find us on our website, on our YouTube channel, on Twitter, when I post the most important thing, like the last update was about, book profits to the upside. When you see the price approaching resistance, don't be shy, book profits, because you never know what's going to happen. And also protect your position, meaning move your stop loss at entry. Okay. So that would be all for this short update. Let's see what's going on today. I'm ready. My team is ready to trade. We're already in longs. We book profits, but also we are prepared for more upside and more downside. With that being said, I wish you all a great day. Happy trading, everyone. And until the next update, thank you for everything. Cheers and bye-bye.